Shift your weight to the right. Step with the left. Inhale. Shift your weight fully to the left. Inhale again. Step out with the right and exhale. Step with the left. In, out. Breathing in, out. In, out. Keep walking at a slow and comfortable pace. Let the breath guide the movement. Keep the steps slow and easy. Let the steps align with the breath. Release tension in the body, a relaxed and tranquil mind. Allow the arms to swing naturally from side to side, aligned with the rhythm of the steps and breath. This walking practice is inspired by Gualin Qigong, a healing walking method developed by Gualin after her recovery from cancer. It combines mindful walking with an inhale, exhale breathing rhythm to support balance, circulation, and calm. Modern research suggests this kind of mindful walking may help reduce fatigue, improve mood, build endurance, and support overall well-being. Allow the rhythm of the steps and the breath to calm the body. Allow the mind to settle as you walk.